got all my stuff cleared out of the trunk. As I'm cleaning it, oh boy, we get into an absolute nightmare inside here. Rust, rust, rust everywhere. There's some holes right there in the bottom corner where it's rusted through for sure. Oh man, I was kind of hoping not to have to deal with any more rust for a while, but it's gonna have to be taken care of. Yeah, this corner's pretty bad shape too. Gosh darn it. It's not gonna be fun. Oh, it's pretty bad up underneath there too. Oh man. Well, there's a big hole. Oh, jeez. Well, that ought to be interesting to try to fix. Man. Alrighty, folks. I got a lot done. I got carpets in. I got center console is in. So, old center console. Yikes. Versus new center console. I would say that was a justified purchase. But I'm ready to get this thing on the road. Ready to go. I gotta figure out what else is mechanically wrong with it. The carpet, it does have a few wrinkles left in it. But I'm thinking once I get this out in the sun and just let it kind of bake inside the car a little bit, I think it'll contour more to the floorboards like it should. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. Back here, still working. I gotta order the jute insulation that goes across here, and then there's a backer board that goes there. Back of the back seats go in as well, right there. Same thing up top on the package tray. The insulation jute, and then the package tray goes up in there. So there's also some that goes up on those side panels there. Got to get the headliner put in. What else? Headliner, sun visors, sun visor mounts, the 1-pin posts, the dome light kit. Got to get all that stuff done. Get the trim back in, windshield, back glass, weather stripping. Get all that stuff, and then I'm also right now working on brakes, kind of simultaneously working on brakes. I still gotta bleed the entire system, but I did put my new master cylinder booster and proportioning valve in the other day. I didn't film any of that because it was a lot of swear words, a lot of wrench throwing, and let me tell you, those things right there, those are not fun. Might have been easier if I took the hood off, for sure. But I'm out here working by myself, so it's kind of a pain in the butt to take the hood off, and I didn't want to end up messing up other things in the process, you know, like having the hood slide down and put a dent in anything, or, you know, scratch up my luxurious paint job. Well, here's what the interior of the car looks like, all sprawled out on the driveway. They're in pretty bad shape, but we're getting them clean. We're gonna clean them up and then paint everything black again. With any luck, it'll look halfway decent. And then it's on to all this trim.